Hey everyone! Welcome to MindSphere. Today we're diving into something so common that we barely think about it. That is water. In the earth, water is everywhere. We drink it. We bathe in it. We depend on it to survive. But have you ever stopped to think, do we really understand water? Because as it turns out, scientists are still baffled by some of its strangest properties. So, let's start with something simple. When most liquids turn into solids, they shrink. Their molecules pack closer together, making the solid form denser than the liquid form. But how about water? The fact is, it does the exact opposite. When water freezes, it expands. That is why ice floats instead of sinking. This sounds like a small thing, right? But this one unique property is the reason why life survived during Earth's most extreme period, the Ice Ages. Imagine a world where ice sank instead of floating. Then lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up, trapping everything inside. Marine life would then have died out. And without the oceans regulating Earth's temperature, our entire planet might have remained a frozen wasteland. The reality is, due to water's weird behavior, ice literally had saved life on Earth by forming a protective layer of ice that insulated the liquid water below when water froze. This kept the oceans from freezing solid, allowing marine life to survive. If ice were denser than water, it would sink, and the entire planet would have turned into a lifeless ice block. But that's just the beginning. Did you know that water doesn't always freeze at 0 degrees Celsius? Under the right conditions, water can remain liquid even at minus 48 degrees Celsius. This is called the supercooled water, and it completely defies logic. Normally, when a liquid turns into a solid, its molecules arrange themselves in a neat and orderly pattern. But in supercooled water, the molecules remain disorganized, making it a strange hybrid of both solid and liquid states. Scientists still don't fully understand why this happens. And here's where it gets even super weird. Researchers in Sweden discovered that water isn't even just one liquid, but actually made up of 2 different liquid states that mysteriously coexist. What does that mean? No one knows. We all take water for granted, but here's a question that no one really knows the answer to. Where did Earth's water come from? Some scientists believe Earth was born with water already inside it. Others think water arrived later, carried by comets or asteroids from deep space. But if that's the case, where did those planets and moons get their water? It's a cosmic mystery that could rewrite everything we know about the origins of life. And then there's a wilder theory. What if water was put here by someone on purpose? It's still a mystery to us. And maybe as said, it's from God or what we call the higher existence. Speaking of mysteries, let's talk about something truly mind-blowing. In Mexico, there's an ancient site called Tula. It was built over 1,000 years ago by a civilization known as the Toltecs. It contains massive stone carvings of warriors. But here's the crazy part. These warriors are holding objects that look exactly like futuristic weapons. Some researchers believe these objects might have been advanced energy-based tools and were possibly powered by, as what you guessed, water. The idea of using water as an energy source isn't science fiction. We've already been extracting hydrogen from water to power fuel cells. But what if there's a lost technology that could unlock water's true energy potential? Modern nuclear bombs get their energy from splitting atoms, but some theorists believe that water itself could be the key to an even greater energy source. Ever heard of the Tunguska event? In 1908, A massive explosion flattened 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. Scientists say it was caused by a meteorite. But here's the thing, no meteorite was ever found. Some experts believe it could have been caused by a massive water-based chain reaction, releasing energy beyond anything we've ever seen. If that's true, then the energy hidden inside water might be even more powerful than nuclear energy and completely clean, with no harmful radiation. Imagine a future where all of humanity's energy needs could be met just by unlocking the power inside a single glass of water. We might think of water as a simple and ordinary substance, but it's possibly the most mysterious and powerful substance on Earth. If scientists ever figure out how to fully utilize its energy, it could change the world forever. Think about it. No more fossil fuels, no more pollution, no more energy shortages, but just pure, unlimited power from water. And imagine a world where cars, planes, even entire cities run purely on water. No pollution, no radioactive waste. Just clean energy derived from the most abundant substance on Earth. But here's the catch. If water really can be used as a high-powered energy source, would governments and corporations ever allow this technology to be widely available? Or would the existing parties with vested interests be firstly prioritized? Let me know what you think in the comments. Could water be the key to a new future? Or it's just a lost past? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing mysteries. Thanks for watching MindSphere. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious.